Good afternoon. My name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at the MarineMax in sunny Fort Myers, Florida today. Today I want to show you a very special boat. This is a Aviara. It's a 32-foot boat with outboards, twin outboard engines. The boat manufacturer is Mastercraft. They make a lot of different brands, but this is one of their high-end, larger style boats. We do make this boat in 3 sizes, but currently today we're going to go over the 32. So first I want to point out, just basically in the back, the swim platform area. It's a very large swim platform. It's showing proprietary C-deck patterns on it, so it's very unique to this particular brand. Your rear sun pads, which everybody loves to have a rear sun pad. This one has a lot of different form and function going on with it. The seat backs can pop up. These seats are considered to be bar stool seats. They can be articulated at any different height, so you have some really nice form and function on those two right there. And then you also have the ability back here, which is incredibly unique in a boat, very smart for design, is dedicated fender storage. Most boats don't have this. Most boats, you just find a place to go and they go down there. This is where they live. This is their home. So that's a very nice feature of this boat. As you walk into the boat, you're going to notice that it's a very large living room environment. Definitely 100% a cruising boat. You're probably not going to fish too much off of one of these, but you're definitely going to enjoy a very wonderful cruising boat. You have big L-shaped seating. You have a very large helm seat right here for 2 people. So you can have your guest sitting next to you or your spouse sitting next to you. Back here in the entertainment section of the area, you have a very large sink and wine bottle holder over in the corner. So it's recessed down, so it goes down deep. Underneath this top, you can do a couple things, but currently it's just a drawer in this one. Different finishes could be put on these types of areas here. You can do this type of material, or you can do a real true rock teak material if you'd like. Also, there are several different options for colors of interiors. The very large, massive hardtop on this boat, which everybody enjoys, a nice big shade. That's important down here in Florida. It's important in a lot of environments. This also houses an incredibly large and robust sunshade system that articulates out back and covers the entire back half of the boat. That is a feature that we'll put on every one of these boats. As you come up to the helm area, you'll see a very clean aircraft style dashboard here. It is incredibly updated, very unique, flush mounted Garmin system here. This is definitely the heart and soul of the boat, so all your systems and operations will be touchpad right off of this. And then over in the corner you have your Simrad, which is effectively your gauges for your engines. You'll notice the boat is a joystick control boat. Again, all these boats are going to be joystick control boats. We have a very large head compartment right here. It's not locked. Yep, it's locked. Sorry about that. That's fine. You have a very large head compartment in there with a vacuum flush head. As you work your way to the bow of the boat, we have a bow filler cushion in this particular one. That's a nice feature. It's a nice option to have. Raises up at the table. So when you're running in this boat, if you kind of take note of me, I'm 6'2", and the sides of these boats are very tall. So it's a very secure boat. Rides beautiful and high in the water. Very robust hull. Probably one of the best riding monohulls that you can possibly find out there. So what I'd like for you to do is just give me a call. My name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at Fort Myers MarineMax. My cell is 239-229-8862. I'll be happy to show you this or any of our other boats.